All right, and we're back. This is just a quick unwrapping video. Obviously, you can see what it is. I picked up, as you know from watching the videos. Hold on, bear with me a second. The Saddlemen Explorer was not comfortable for me. Brand new seat, I was not happy. So I got the part number for the Harley Sundowner for the Sport Glide, and went on Facebook Marketplace this morning early and found a Sundowner. There's your part number. Okay, Sundowner. Ready to go. As you can see, it's brand new. No wear, no tear, no nothing. It's ready to go. The guy I got it from bought it a month ago and ended up trading his Sport Glide in on a new Street Glide. So he listed the seat. He paid $400 with the tax here in New Jersey a month ago. And here we are, $200 he put it up for. I said, dude, for $200, I'll meet you. So anybody familiar with New Jersey, there's a theme park called Great Adventure. He met me right by there. Worked out perfect. Handed him $200, and here's a brand new Sundowner for me to try. So hopefully this works. With any luck, this will be what I need. Because the factory seat, as you guys know, the factory seat is like sitting on bleachers. And that Saddlemen Explorer was comfortable, but it sat me too high up and back away from the controls, and I was not comfortable with that. This is supposedly puts you in the exact same seating position. It gives you a little more oomph for the passenger, and for the rider, it's a little bit deeper bucket than you see how deep the bucket is, and you got a little bit of support here. And there's your stock seat, and it has very little the way it's designed. So supposedly this will work. We'll see, and if not, I paid $200. I'm sure I can sell it and get my money back without a problem. So that's the extent of it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. And please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please make a comment. All righty, I'll see you guys later. All right, and there it is. So it sits actually maybe a smidge lower than the stock one does, and you can definitely feel the lumbar support. So there's a little more support than the stock one. So I think I'm going to be happy with it, and my wife's going to be happy with the size of that as opposed to the size of that. So I think we're both going to end up being very happy with this purchase, but we'll see. I won't know till I can get out and get some miles on it.